Hi. In this video I'll show you how to calculate age from the birthday using Excel sheet. Select the birthdays column and right-click. Select Format Cell. Select Date. Now we'll use the Datedif function. Write equal, then write Datedif. Open parenthesis, then select the birthday cell. Write today to select the today function. Write Y. Close the open parenthesis, then press Enter key. The age appear. Drag and drop to apply that for all cells of the age column. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.